Good morning. I hope you all are doing well at your place and taking care of yourself. I have been taking the classes, but today I decided that today I'll teach and today I'll discuss about this pandemic situation the whole world is facing. This pandemic disease which is spreading very fastly nowadays. And regarding that, today I'll be talking and how to take care of this, how to get rid of this kind of situation. Because everything is not in our hand. What I can do, what myself can do, is only in our hand. If you see the words which is formed from the English alphabet, I have taken the three letters B, C, and D. B is here for birth, which is not in our control. At which place, in which home, in which state we are going to get birth, that is not in our control. Even our complexion, our physical representation is not in our control. Then the second word is the C, and the third letter is D. D is for death. The mythology says that everything on this earth is perishable. It has to be an end. And the human being also are the mortal, which has to get demise one day. That means the birth and death, and in between it comes the C, letter C. Now the here letter the C is either for COVID-19 or for care. But between these two words we have choice. You have choice to take care of this COVID. You have to choice to take care of yourself, and therefore between these two letters B and D, that C is very very important, and it plays a vital role in our day-to-day life. And the very important word which I think that I should discuss, that is our choice. Choice to do good things or bad things. Choice to have profit or loss. Choice to eat lot of things which will increase our weight. Choice to take care of your physical health, to go to gym. Choice to study, choice to sleep. Choice to waste our time, choice to use your time in your any creational and in any kind of creativity. That is, all things revolves around this choice. Obviously, it is a complete circle, isn't it? We to go around it, and therefore it's very easy if you think carefully that my choice to take care of the surrounding is my choice that in this kind of situation where everybody, all the government officials or near or dear those who are really well-wisher of mine, they say please unnecessarily don't go outside, please don't visit the different places, please put on your mask if at all you are supposed to go anywhere outside. That is my choice. Choice to stay home, choice to stay outside, choice to put on your mask, choice to go without mask. Right? That's why everybody likes to do the things as per their own choice. And you have to be very, very particular while you are making your own choice. Mathematically, I can say your choice should be rational. Your choice should be rational, then only you can. Okay? Therefore, you should have the choice and you should be free in taking your choice. And everyone, in fact, everyone is free in taking their own choice. Okay? And see the word care. Care for what? Care, yes, commit yourself. Okay, today and tomorrow onwards, I am going to make this happen. That is your commitment. Care, your commitment. Now that commitment is up to you. What kind of commitment you are making? Suppose you are a student and you have committed yourself. Yes, today I am going to complete this exercise, this question. Then you must stick with that kind of commitment. That commitment should be checked on the regular basis, constantly. Constantly it should be checked. Right? And that will make you success in your target. Take care. Now see the word which I have used. Take care of your commitment. Check it constantly, time to time. Whenever you get time, please check whatever the commitment I have made to myself, I am completing it or not. Whether I am successful in keeping up my commitment or not, and that will give you the success in your life. These simple things, take care regularly and certainly will have success in your life. Then first of all, you should be very, very careful while you are making your own choice. You are free to take your choice. You are absolutely free. And your choice will decide your destiny. Thank you very much. Next time I'll continue with this more. Right. It means you have full chance to change the whole scenario. You have choice to make a change. That change really will build your character. You have chance to make a change in your daily routine. You have chance to take care of your health. You have full-fledged choice to make a change in your habit so that it will build your very strong character and you can conquer the world. Right now, we don't go for conquering the world. Right now, you have to conquer your ego. You have to conquer your selfishness. You have to conquer your ego and you have to conquer ultimately the COVID. That means in this difficult time you have a complete chance, and I can say it's a very positive chance to make a change in your life so that you will come out with a positive thinking. First of all, you start doing the small step. Let us start with the small step. At what time you are leaving your bed, the first thing what you are going to do, the first task you are going to accomplish, and then keep on a regular watch on that. Constantly you keep on watch on that. To whatever I have decided yesterday, whether I am completing and going along with that or not. If you find that if it is not up to the mark or up to the level which you have decided, again now you are free to make a choice. Make a choice to change, right? Change the schedule, change the routine. And certainly, suppose you are doing the mathematics problems. There are questions which you are not able to solve. Please go for the next question. Please go through the concepts. That means first you start what you can do, what it seems easy for you. Then you go for the next step, what is little bit difficult. And you will be surprised that will be start doing the difficult thing also, difficult questions also. Just you have to train your mind, you train your way of thinking. You have to be positive in your thinking. You have to have confidence in you. Yes, I can do it. I love the word confidence also. Confidence. That is also very important. Whatever choices you make to have a change, whatever choices you make to have a change in your character, have confidence in that, and then certainly you are going to change the whole scenario. You are going to change yourself. Please try for it and make it a very positive way, a grand success in your daily routine. Have a short target, please work for it, and then you go for the next step. And I am sure that you are going to make a change in yourself, going to make a change in your surrounding, you are going to make a change in your society, and you are going to make to change in the nation also. Thank you very much. Please take care of yourself and please do very, very well. Out of these many words which I have mentioned, if any three words, if I have to pick up, and if I'll say yes, I have to work for it, I'll go for it. You have choice to make a change, and that chance is the golden chance given to you to fight with the COVID or to fight with your own ego, own problem. Thank you very much. Please do take care, very good yourself, and do best in your life. Thank you very much.